Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Wagwan flag world, your boy sign us out with the writers so now. Run Charlix. Today, December the 7th. And those crazy vibes. Some of us want in the journey with your boy kinda well early right now still. Vibes and everything I build up with their police officers club. Yeah, you see it. So build up, big up team Billy Z, big up team Brown Charlie. You see it. So we're there, one journey with your boy Vibe Style.
Yeah, yeah.